I represent a company called Luna Ergonomics Private Limited. We are developers of Panini Keypad and Clever Texting. These are two texting technologies. Panini is an integrated technology for 11 languages of India, and it supports you to type easily in Hindi, Bangla, and Kannada, Malayalam, 11 major languages of India. And Clever Texting is a more statistical prediction. It is a mobile app. It works on every handset which is a Java handset, and Nokia phones perfectly fine. You would also need to have the particular font of that particular song. It's a 1-year-old company, and we've been here for a year. Yeah, we are based out of the Science and Technology Park in Noida. Now, of course, we are looking for funding because we have great plans. A texting technology typically makes money out of licensing their technology to handset developers, handset manufacturers. We are doing that. Our product is already going with one particular manufacturer, and we want to tie up with telecom operators. We want to go to SMS marketing companies. We could also be, and we are also doing retail. To organize retail chains, we have our product in the form of scratch cards, and we are doing retail.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Vinish Kathuria from Movisoft Technology. The company is promoted by the Spice Group, one of the leading telecom players in the Indian market. We focus primarily on the mobile internet, and our goal is to take the reach of the mobile, combine it with the value that a person gets from internet access, combine the two, have a product offering that adds value to the user, whether a business professional or the end customer, and put a business model on it. So the company has been there for the last 2.5 years. From a technology perspective, we went live almost 9 months ago, and we focus predominantly on the mobile applications arena. From a technology perspective, taking away the heterogeneity that exists because of different platforms from Java, Windows, BlackBerry, Android, iPhone, and a need for a developer to make all those different applications to work on. To put in a layman's term, why doesn't an iPhone application work on BlackBerry? It's nothing to do with the buying power. Both the guys are 20,000 rupees handsets. It's nothing to do with whether 2G or 2.5G or 3G is there or not there. Both are using the same data. It's to do with technology. The core platform of BlackBerry is very different than the core platform of iPhone, and very different than the core platform of Windows. So we have developed the last couple of years a platform like a virtual platform called Mitra, which stands for Friend, which allows the same piece of application code to work seamlessly across different operating systems. So if you are in the application development business, either a technology guy or a business guy, it expands your reach massively because your time to market is pretty short. And again, for you, a Samsung customer is as good as a Windows customer, as good as a Motorola customer. This is what we allow to do. So today we have partnerships with around 20-25 leading internet brands, and we are helping extend their reach beyond the PC internet to the mobile internet. So we have different business models in place with them, from lead generation to a transaction to advertising. In some cases, we are also working on a pure services model, like in cases where we are extending the reach of an ERP or a CRM for a particular company beyond the limitation of the four walls of a corporate office into the field. Then we work purely on a services model to take the reach of the SAP, take the reach of an Oracle into the handset of a sales guy who is in some rural part or tier 2 town. So it's a combination of revenue share and a combination of services in the way that we work on.
IT Solutions Private Limited. I'm taking care of Vice President of Operations. I have one product is a LeadSimplify.com. This is purely for the sales and marketing department. This tool will make to improve the follow-ups and client conversion ratio. This is the online-based tool, sales model tool. This tool helps to increase the follow-ups for the people. The customers getting leads normally, and they are losing the follow-ups. So this tool makes to follow up that regularly, the convert a customer very easily. Then you can get into the customer full history what they are talking, and everything, so you can get it from this tool. And one more thing is that we are not of the CRM type, we are totally the part of the CRM. We are taking only for the lead management, how to the manager leads. This company is Quartz IT Solutions, almost 1 year old company. The product is almost 9 months old product. We are almost 15 people are working, 4 management people are working. Yes, companies are funded from the CEOs. We have 2 years enough funds for our own side. After that only we have planned to do the increase the sales model. After that we are looking for funds.
Hi, I'm Rahul. I'm the CEO of Geobindas Global Private Limited. We are a mobile social and with a host of applications for the mobile phone. In fact, this is the first time that you can do networking on the mobile phone while you do networking on sites like Facebook or LinkedIn, where the unique identifier is your email ID, which is UK. Here the unique identifier is cell number. And the universe grows very fast. Your contacts become your first degree contacts, and on average about 200 contacts everyone has. So your second degree immediately goes to about 40,000, and your third degree is about 80 lakhs. By the fifth degree, actually you are a friend of the universe. What we are doing is the third degree at the moment, and we have wonderful features like contact backup. Contact backup is like total backup of all your contacts, your calendars, your SMSs, your videos, your pictures, and you can retrieve them anywhere over the air. You use your phone in US, just buy a new phone, synchronize it, it takes a couple of minutes, and all your data comes into the new phone. It's a wonderful application. Then you have trigger SMS, where you can schedule an SMS today to reach, say, after a month, after a year, whenever, and before it goes, there's an alert to you. So then you have a popularity metric, which is a wonderful feature wherein you can know how many people have you as a contact, and also how popular you are. Well, we are not coming up totally going to disclose our whole revenue model, but at the moment we have a startup fee and regular monthly model, and we have yet to launch our services. We are in the beta mode, but it's absolutely ready and usable. People are using it. We already have a lakh of users, and we are looking at funding venture capitalists because we want to launch it countrywide and across the globe, at least Asia Pacific to start with. We have about 35 plus members in our team, and we are based on Delhi and Hyderabad, Gurgaon basically.
Hey guys, Vishnu. I'm the CEO of Interchange Solutions. We founded it about 2.5 years ago, and we have come a long way from there. And so, talk about Interchange, we work in 2 verticals. One is location-based services, the other one is telemetrics. On the telemetrics front, we actually build hardware products. So we started off with a software company, but then we thought just being a software company doesn't give you a lot more advantage. So we built hardware platforms for ourselves. So we have our own hardware platforms. So we have a host of hardware platforms on which we run all our applications, including tracking. It can be personal navigation, turn-by-turn directions. We have a social platform called Tracker, which lets you connect with your people. So we also build a computation platform for the car. So bottom line, we build a complete connectivity solution. We let people from mobiles, people from car, people from web connect with each other and exchange information. Our revenue model short term is in the asset tracking and the vehicle tracking solutions. We are cash positive. And the long term bet that we are making on is the tracker, which is location based advertising and mobile commerce. We are self-funded at this point. We are good enough with Interchange. We are looking for some support with Tracker to catalyst the activities.